What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the G6 Pro gaming tablet by Sysmarts. Now chances are you probably never heard of Sysmarts. I've never heard of them, but they reached out to me and they said, hey, we've got a new tablet coming out. You want to check it out? I'm not gonna refuse, it looks awesome. So this is a 7-inch gaming tablet with a Helio X27 deca-core processor, that's 10-core processor, at 2.5 gigahertz, 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of ROM, plus you can upgrade it to 128 gigs with an SD card or micro SD. I'm pretty sure it's micro SD, we'll find out here in a second. It does have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which gets you 6 hours of playtime. It's not a whole lot, but considering the size and the amount of power that it's pushing, I'm not surprised it's only 6 hours. It's a 1200 by 1920 FHD IPS display. It's got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi band, 5 megapixel camera, says various games and Play Store. So let's just bust into this thing. We got a glass screen protector, real glass. We got our tablet. Oh, it's got a little weight to it. We got a microfiber cloth. We got about a 4-foot long USB to USB-C adapter, so we know it's fully up to date. That's good. We get our USB power adapter, user guide, warranty card. Look at that, it's got a SIM removal tool. Ooh, that is a slick looking design. I'm digging that. It is plastic. Got these little ridges on it, help from slipping. So you got your power button, you got your volume up and down, you got your speaker on the bottom, you got your USB-C port on the top, and your 3.5 millimeter jack on the top as well, which is kind of odd. Not used to seeing them on the top, but either way. Then you got your SIM port. Let's see. So you got your SIM tray and your micro SD tray. Okay, cool. So right there, it's so hard to see, but right there it shows a micro SD card and 2 SIMs. So you can actually put 2 SIM cards in here. Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't know that. Oh, there we go. I just noticed, you can see it's kind of curved. It doesn't sit flat. So kind of got this wobble thing going. Usually you'll probably be holding it anyway, so. All right, well, I'm gonna go through the setup and yeah. Wow, that was actually really quick. That loaded up really fast. All right, so there we go. We got the home screen. As you can see, they've definitely got a cool theme going. They're trying to stick with the theme of the tablet itself. The screen feels really nice. It's very nice and responsive. You've got a Google folder already laid out for you with Gmail, YouTube. Let's check out YouTube. Man, everything loads up really nice.
Completely wrong there, not touch. I'm sitting here tapping it, got a nice little click. Okay, let's try that again.
Audio seems a little lacking. Definitely sounds a little hollow. Let me just try to play a song. That's at max volume. In my opinion, it seems like they didn't really put too much focus towards the speaker because it doesn't sound all that great. It's very shallow, it doesn't get really loud, but in my case, I would be using some earbuds anyway, so. But everything loads up really nicely. I mean, you can see everything's really quick and snappy. I'm liking that. On the bottom, you've got some preloaded apps, typically at every phone that's Android, like location, so you can go straight to Google Maps, Google, your clock. Then you've got, what is that? Okay, that's Google Chrome, but you see how smooth and snappy it is? It's actually pretty nice. Then you got your camera. We'll see how this turns out. Yeah, it's 5 megapixel. You can see it's not super clear. There are some basic features. You can change exposure, screen mode, white balance, the basic stuff. Pretty basic camera, nothing too special there, but where this thing is supposed to really shine is in gaming. So I went ahead and downloaded Asphalt 9 since this is one of the most graphically intense apps that you can get right now. Hey, I gotta say, this is actually playing pretty smooth. Okay, I can't remember what the last tablet I looked at was, but I can remember that it did not play nearly as smooth as this. This is actually really nice. And if it can play Asphalt 9 this smoothly, anything you throw at it, it should be able to handle it. I mean, it's handling this just nicely. Now, it is getting just a little bit warm on the backside, near where the camera's at. I'm guessing that's where the processor is, but I'm not experiencing any kind of lag or choppiness. It's very smooth. Not only that, I did go into the settings and I changed the quality of the video to the highest, and it's playing just fine. The only downside I can see so far is that speaker. It's just not all there. Now, just for fun, I wanna plug in a small Bluetooth speaker and see how this thing works. Now, for those who don't know, I unboxed the Braven XXL a while back. This thing is great. I love the speaker. Best, biggest one I've got. If you did miss the unboxing of this video, I'll leave a link right here, or you can check it out down below. I don't know how loud I have it right now either. Oh well. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Woo! Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. Well, I've never done that before, but I gotta say, if you have the chance to hook up a huge speaker to a small tablet, I highly suggest it. I know, it was a little overkill, but you know, whatever. It works, and it sounded fantastic. Wow, that is really sharp. Man, that's clear. Well, there you have it. I'm surprised. Sysmarts G6 Pro. Not a bad little gaming tablet. I like the design of it. It's nice and comfortable. It's not too heavy, but you can definitely tell holding it. It definitely has a little beefiness on the inside for sure. It plays really smoothly. Overall, I think it's a pretty good tablet. The only thing that I can see that I would want an improvement on is the speaker. I'd say if you're in the market for a gaming tablet, definitely check this one out. It's pretty good. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.